Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. Today we're gonna learn about another class about our divisibility rules, and this is gonna be the third part, okay, of this divisibility rules. So let's get started. Now you can see on the board, this is the divisibility rules. And did you remember in my previous time how many things we learned? Yeah, there are so many things, there are so many rules. I think as far as I know, we learned 2, 3, 5, and also 2, I think, in the part 2. And this is gonna be the part 3, okay, of divisibility rules. And I think you will get some more parts. Anyway, so in this part, we will learn for rule for 4 and rule for 5. So let's see what is the rule for 4 first. So we can see here is a rule I wrote, a number in rule for 4, okay. Anyway, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits from a number divisible by 4. So the main thing is last two digits from a number. So this is the main thing. So suppose I will write a number. So what can I write? Then let's select a random number. 2, I'm writing it more largely. 2, 4, 8, 9, 0. So you can see this is a 5-digit number, and what we learned here, last two digits from a number divisible by 4. So what is the last two digits from this number? These are the last two digits. Okay, so if this number, so what is that? That is 90. Okay, so if 90 divisible by 4, so the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so now we have to check the 90 divisible by 4. So in a shortly, we can of course say like 90 have a 0. So let's verify, of course. This color I'm picking, 4, and I think you know that very common way, the 90 is not divisible by 4, but also for this place, let's verify again. 90, like what it looks like, 90 divided by 4, since this is the divisibility by 4. Okay, now the first time will be 2, well, this will be 8, and then here are 1 and 10. Now you can see the 10 is not divisible by 9, so that's why this will be 2. This is correct. Then again there will be 2 reminder, then 2 will be reminder. So that means there is a reminder. That means this number is not divisible by 4. Okay. So I think you understood about what is the rules divisible. What is the rules for divisibility for 4? Okay. So we have another, that is 5. Let's see that. Now you can see the rule for 4, rule for 6 actually, this is not 5. Actually, you already saw 5 in the first part. Okay. So this is the rule for 6. Let's see the rule. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so the whole number will be divisible by 6. So let's verify for a random number first. Okay, let's select a random number. The random number can be 2. I'm writing a little smaller. 2, 3, 4, 8. 8. Okay, is it? Now we have to find, is the number divisible by 2 and 3? Okay, so how will you find, is it divisible by 2 or 3? Actually, I already showed this and we learned already the divisibility for 2 and 3. So I think you won't have any more confusion about this. The divisibility 2, of course, this is divisible by 2 because the last digit of, what is happening? The last digit is an even number, so that's why this is divisible by 2, of course. And then we have, is this divisible by 3? Of course, we will verify this. What is the formula or what is the rule? The rule is the sum of all numbers should be divisible by 3. So what is the sum? Let's find 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. What will be the sum? 15 and sorry, 12. What am I saying actually? 12, yes. 12 and 15 and 17. Okay, 17. So when you divide, you can see 17 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, this is not divisible by 6. So I think you all saw that how to determine is the number divisible by 4 or is the number divisible by 6. So you have to remember these rules, of course, in divisibility types of problem. When you need this in problem, so if you forget this or if you can't remember this, so you can't solve the math. Okay, so that's why you must remember these rules or you can memorize these. Okay, so I think you all enjoyed this class very much. So that's all for today. In the next video we will learn more rules. Okay, so of course, don't forget to share this video to your friends. If you don't, so they can't take this or they can't learn this actually if he or if she doesn't know. Anyway, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video with a new rule. So, Allah Hafiz.